everybody, our friends from FuneralOne, they reach out to me and they are offering free shields for the funeral industry. And this is totally free, and you can go on FuneralOne.com and let me show you how to get there. And I'll put the direct link there. If you go on FuneralOne.com, right at the top you will see this learn more, and scroll down and until you see this shielding our heroes, right? Funeral professions were the last in line for personal protection equipment until now. So this is totally free. Go ahead here and then fill out your information and they will send you a shield right away. So really kudos to our friends at FuneralOne for doing this. As I understand, it's very, very hard to find any protective mask out there right now. So do take on this offer whether you're using FuneralOne or not. It's just one of those good gestures that you're doing right now. So don't be shy, get a mask.